Hi, it's me, Garrett, and today we're on the Royal Princess, and we're going to take a look at our cabin, and it's an inside cabin, and it's C733. See that? Look, port monkeys are on board. So my medallion lets me unlock the door. They've got this little card in here for the lights. It was there when we got here. I haven't taken it out, moved it. Got two light switches here. So, when you first enter, there's a hook here and a mirror. Yes, I'm using a light. There's a closet. There's an automatic light here, and it likes to turn off and on a lot. So we had plenty of hangers. There's even some extras back here. We left our suitcases here instead of putting them under the bed. Left our shoes here too. Anyway, it's got shelves, shelf space. These are towels from the, see it turned off. These are towels from out by the pool. A safe, you put in the code. You all know that. There, light turned back on. Let's go in here. We'll save the bathroom for last. So it's got a fairly comfortable bed, but I don't know if you can see that. The feet are higher than the body and the head. Yeah, I don't know how to, without turning the beds around, which I didn't bother. It's only a 7-day cruise. Had it been longer, I might have bothered. Anyway, no outlets whatsoever, at least exposed. In a minute, we'll go behind the bed. So I pulled the bed out just a touch, and you can see that there's a European outlet here, and it's plugged into the lamp, or the lamp is plugged into it. So if you don't want the lamp and you have a European style plug or adapter, you could use it. The other side of the bed is going to be the same thing, I think. Same thing, so you can see them both there. European style outlets. Notice the lamp went off. Get that in there tight. So, no USA outlets behind the bed. Television, it seems to rattle a lot unless I keep it in this position. It does pivot a little bit though. Another mirror. Oh, I didn't turn on that light. It's got a light here. There, see that? It has a European outlet. It has a USA outlet. And another USA outlet. We always bring this tower, USB ports. We are elite, so we get a mini bar setup. It's got a drawer here, more drawers here, all the way down. This is a refrigerator. It's super cold. We brought these drinks. The rest is part of the mini bar setup. It doesn't feel like it's closed ever, but you know, it is. Got a telephone, chair, like I say, a vanity. No drawer here. And two outlets. Each side of the bed has a lamp with a switch. I can also switch the room lights off here. Not the vanity light though. Two drawers and a little cubby. In most cruise ship cabins, we store the luggage under the bed. And of course there's storing additional bedding under here, but we could probably fit our suitcases under. I actually brought a tape measure, and this room is 10 feet, a little over, to the wall, and a little over 8 feet across this way. So the bed is 74 inches long. So it's a king size bed, but it's a small king size. It's about 70 inches across. So, pretty small room. So now we're going to get into the bathroom. Pretty standard for Princess. A couple of hooks. We use the towels over and over. We ask them for robes, so we got a couple of robes here. You got Beekman 1802 body lotion, hand wash, faucet, drain, 3 shelves, mirror. Of course, there's the light switches outside, towel rack, toilet, brush, extra toilet paper, trash can. In the shower, and it's a good size shower, right? But there's body wash and shampoo and conditioner. A little shelf. I like to bring a bar of soap. You know, I pick them up at the hotels. There is a handle, removable, right? The pressure in our cabin is really low. Of course, there's one of these, clothesline, hooks in there. This is water on off. So, and maybe pressure. I mean, everybody turns it all the way up, I guess. And then this is temperature, and that's set on 50. And that's just about right for us. 38 is 100 degrees, and I think it's going to lock in. Yeah, there's a little button here, and it locks in at 38, which is 100 degrees. But, you know, I don't know if that's accurate. I just know 50 is comfortable for us, and it's not scalding hot or anything. So, there's the bathroom. I'm going to back out of it. Of course, there's the closet. And you could stand right here and kind of see the whole cabin. Now let's talk about Princess Television. The TVs on Princess, I really like. Royal Caribbean, Carnival, they charge for movies. So you got home screen. You know, if you go to navigation, you can see the bridge cam and you can hear the announcements. Off the coast of Baja California, and we've been having whale sightings all morning. So anyway, there's a little back button. The words are worn out, the letters, but it'll take you back, home. So Wake Show is the cruise director's little show. Movies and TV, that's so live TV, it's the standard channels. Everyone has BBC, Fox, and CNN, I think. I don't know why those 3. Nickelodeon, HGTV, a few sports channels, a few travel channels, and another bridge cam. So live TV, movies. Movies are free on Princess. Every movie on here, there's no charge. Other cruise lines, they charge you $10 or $12 for a movie. So there's lots of TV series you can watch. Gilligan's Island, Ghosts, Food Network. You can watch The Love Boat. Anyway, it knows where you've left off, so you can continue watching. So that's it for the TV. There's hundreds of movies, there's hundreds of television shows, and there's live TV. Well, I think that's about it for this cabin. Inside cabin on the Royal Princess C733. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next port. Bye.